Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Food. If you live about the 49th parallel, January is no picnic. In British Columbia, we shouldn't complain too much, but everywhere else across Canada and the States, it's pretty cold with lots of snow. I couldn't resist posting this chilling drink, Frostbite Cocktail. With a delicious combination of ingredients plus mixed with heavy cream, this refreshing, vibrant blue beverage is perfect to sit by the fireplace. So let's get mixing. We'll go ahead and add a few ice cubes to the glass of the Boston shaker. And then pour in white tequila. Now, if you're not a tequila drinker, simply switch to vodka. To this, we'll add blue curacao, as well as white crème de cacao, and finish with heavy cream. We'll place a metal tumbler on top, tap down to secure it, it's very important, and shake vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds. We'll place a strainer on top and pour the mix into an old-fashioned glass, also called a rock glass, with 2 to 3 ice cubes. And my friends, this is our Frostbite Cocktail. It might be cold outside, but this tasty and colorful drink will warm you right up. I hope you give it a try soon. And be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!